Good morning, all of you. Welcome to another class. So, tell me one thing, where you have decided to go on this vacation? Have you planned something for it? Yeah. So, basically, you are going to travel from one place to another. On which basis do you prefer the places? Can you tell me? Yes, very nice. How are you going to go there? Yeah, by bus, by train. Okay, so do you know what this thing is called? What this activity is called? On the basis of what you have told me just now, that the places are famous or they have natural beauties, you're going to visit there. You're planning to visit there, right? So, how you recognize that this place is very beautiful and this is not beautiful, so we will go there and not there? Yeah, yes, because of the yes, very good. So, our today's topic is tourism. So, today we are going to learn more about tourism. Yes, so earlier we were discussing about tourism. So, what is our today's topic? Tourism, right. So, I'll just write it on the blackboard, the topic. So, tell me which places you have visited in your holidays or in your vacations. Yeah, now see, all the peoples have traveled different places. Now, do you know there is a type of tourism? Do you know? As you all said me the names of many places, right? Somewhere in our country itself and somewhere in the foreign. Okay, so here in tourism we also have types of tourism. What we have? Types of tourism. Okay, so there are two types of tourism. One is domestic tourism and second one is international tourism. Now we will see this one by one. Okay, so tell me one thing, Ladakh is in Kashmir and Lonavala is in Pune. Yes, I mean same region or different? Same region, right? Ladakh is in India and Lonavala itself is in India. Okay, so this is which tourism? This is very good. This is domestic tourism. Then next, you know Eiffel Tower, where it is? Yes, in Paris. And Great Wall of China is in? Is this both is in same region? No, they are not in same region, but it is outside of India, right? It is not in India, right? Eiffel Tower and Great Wall of China is in India? No, they are outside the country, outside the India. So a people from India travels Eiffel Tower or Great Wall of China, it will called international tourism. What it will called? International tourism. Understood? Types of tourism? Yeah, very good. So as we studied the types of tourism, there is also some factors which helps in development of our country. Like tourism has a relation between a development of the country. There are different aspects of development in the country, like economical development, environmental development, then health and well development, social development. Okay, we will see this one by one. Any questions, any doubt, anyone? Till now we have understood the types of tourism, right? Okay, so now we will see the importance of tourism in developing of country. Yeah, so tell me one thing, does our Palghar has tourism? Yes. How? How people come here? Why people come here? Yes, by attracting to our natural beauties, dams, beaches. Very good. So this is the main thing why tourism occurs in Palghar. Okay. Do you know how tourism helps in development of a region? Yes? Yes, anyone? Tell me, how does a tourism helps in development of region? Yeah, economically and development. Yeah, for development it helps us, but how? Do you have any idea? No. Okay, most of you would be thinking that how tourism help us economically. So when you decide to travel somewhere, okay, when you go somewhere, do you go there for free? Yeah, do you go for free? You don't pay anything, you just go and come? No, you have to pay a certain amount for it. Yes. So due to this, what happens? The money which is going to be circulated, that creates employment in people. Like if you go to a new places, you need a tourist guide, you need accommodation facilities, you need food to eat, you need places to shop. Okay, so what happens when this, when people from outside go to that places, what happens? It develops the places, but how? Economically. And this also helps in the most opportunities of, like, job opportunities are created for the local peoples, so they can earn from it. So this is how it help us economically. Understood everyone? Okay, so the next one is how the tourism help us is environmental development. Now, how environmental development takes place, do you have any idea about it? Yes, anyone? Can you tell me? No, no. Okay, wait, I'll tell you what happens. See, many of the announced at bird sanctuary and as wildlife sanctuary. Do you know this? Yeah, in our Mumbai also we have a national park. Do you know that? Yeah, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. What happens here, in some certain places there are found many types of animals and birds, but later on you all know that development takes place, so the trees and the environment has to be disturbed because of it, because of the construction. Yes. So here what happens, for protecting it from buildings, concretes, what we do, we announce a specific region as a bird sanctuary or a wildlife sanctuary. Due to this, what happens? The environment is preserved. What happened due to this? The environment is preserved. Yes. Understood economical and environmental development? Yes, understood or not? Okay, so we will further go on our next point, that is social development. Moving from one place to another is a social characteristic of human being. So now, due to tourism, what happened? People from one places go to another places. They know about their new different culture, region. They also get to know new peoples, right? How they are thinking, how they are living their life, and how they are settled in one places, what they are doing for living. Okay, so these all things, when a person from one place goes to another, he or she sees that all things, right? Due to which what happens, social awareness begins. So due to this, social awareness also begins. Understood? Social development. So our last one is health development. Now, how does tourism help in health development? Do you have any idea about it? Okay, so let me tell you one thing, that many people from all over the country, in veil of medical facilities like Ayurveda, come and visit to India, as our India is huge amount of Ayurvedic medical facilities. Yeah, many people come in India for their medical purpose. Okay, like this, many other peoples also go to the different countries for medical facilities, as there is advanced facilities in the advanced country. So one people from undeveloped countries move to their developed countries where the facilities are available in spite of their health. Okay, so health also promotes tourism. Understood? Do you understood the economical development due to tourism, environmental development to tourism, health development, and social development due to tourism? Okay, it is clear to you. So let me take a short revision on what we have learned today. Right, what we have learned today, the term tourism, and who promotes tourism? Tourist. Very good. Very good. And what are the types of tourism? Yes. And in which factor does tourism help us? Yeah, very good. Tourism help us in development of economical factor, environmental factor, social factor, and health factor. Understood this all things? Okay, so remove your books, everyone. I will give you some questions. You have to find its answer and write it now. Your activity for this lesson plan, that you have to find some tourist places and you have to stick their pictures on a cardboard and write 2 to 3 lines about it. Understood? Understood the assignment? Okay. So thank you for today's class, students.